Good morning! Welcome to day 3 of corn harvest. We just got here. I got a mask and goggles because yesterday, whew, it was so rough with like the dust blowing in your face all day long. My asthma at the end, horrible, 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 horrible. So Trevor went to our little local store this morning and got these for me because yesterday was a struggle. And not even that, I was like literally so mad just because I couldn't breathe. Okay. Sorry, Trevor was calling there for a sec. But anyways, yeah, I was not having it yesterday, so I was glad that I got to run the grain cart for the evening, so a lot better after that. But anyways, it's a little bit of a late start today because I think this corn was still a little too wet, and we're gonna be taking this to the bin and to the shuttle. But Trav right now, we're both gonna go to the bin because he's gonna teach me how to unload in this bin, into this bin. Thank you. Was that hard to find?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope my phone stays on there. But anywho, we got the mast fixed. Turns out we just needed the filters on them. I'm waiting for my green light here, but it looks like that truck's probably gonna get on first. Another truck just hopped on the scale. This door is open. Ooh. I don't know why it keeps rattling. But so anyways, Trevor's dad's like, okay, go to the shuttle. And I was like, well, dang, we literally just got this freaking mast fixed. And now we just gotta go to this place, which is called CHS. Coming here, it's so freaking easy because they like unload you and then you like hop on the scale. It's like all with a card, so it's like pretty quick when everything's working well. So anyways, yeah, I'm actually kind of happy because man, the corn dust was getting to me. I don't know how many times I've said that, but yeah. So once we hop on the scale, we approach, well, this little area here, which, where the heck is my card? Oh, there it is. Then you beep it, and then it tells you what pit to go to. Damn, guys. And then, going in? Nope. There it is. Okay. Then east. Okay. I still have to do that every once in a while because I forget my north, east, and south. So we just dumped our airbags, which is the beeping that you hear. You want to do that because they unload the corn at such a fast rate that it doesn't give the airbags a chance to like let air out faster. So yeah, anyways, I'll talk to you guys after this. This is probably annoying. Okay, so I always like to, there it is, watch them because it's like in and out baby here, and as soon as they start closing them traps, we want to head out. And the nice thing about this is like these bins are actually the nicest to unload at because they actually make it for like trucks, you know. There's like other places where it's so dang tight. Like I remember hauling, when I was long hauling corn, man, the places that I have to go in, ooh, just literally, it was nice because it's kind of a challenge, but man, could have avoided that. But yeah, these bins are ginormous. We actually bring some of the wheat, and it's pretty dang nice. Sorry, it's bumpy, it's a dirt road. Hopefully, God willing, one day we'll have a nice set of bins like this. One day. God first, then everything else. Oh, they're also dumping sugar beets right beside me. They put it all in this pile, which we'll see here. I'll show you guys later because I gotta get on the scale. It's right here. Slow it down because they don't like it when you get on the scale too damn fast. Put it back in here. Then once I'm halfway in, I take it out of gear and just kind of cruise in here. The brakes, get my little key thingy, fields again. There's the beets. And lots of trucks. So there are our trucks, which I'm assuming that might be either Dad or one of the drivers. Oh, no, they got off. Huh. Wonder why. And then there goes another one of our trucks. Hauling grain, from what it looks like. It's starting to get dustier and dustier by the minute. Seriously, the wind is picking up so dang hard. Whew, I had to wear that mask, and actually, freaking 10 out of 10. Literally, somebody commented on one of my videos to wear a mask when I was unloading corn at a feedlot. Actually, thank you. Thank you for that advice, because it has saved me so much today. Goodness, I am so dang red, and my hair is a mess, but whatever. I'm a little sweating a bit. It's actually kind of hot, but anywho, we're actually back to dumping in the bins. So that's why it was so dang dusty everywhere. And now I'm just waiting for Trevor to unload. We got done with the field, so now we're moving to another field, which is much sandier. So I was literally telling Trevor, I was like, if I could barely get the truck out, like in these fields that's not sandy or whatever, just imagine the sandy part. Am I excited? A little. But am I nervous? A lot. We got the tow rope though, just in case. This road is the worst. I have yet to meet a good county road. Okay, I think there's a train coming, and look how close I am to the railroad tracks. Like the bins are right here, so I kind of need to be here. So I'm not in the way because I don't know which one we're gonna set up on. But anyways, this is gonna be so cool. Hopefully they, well, the train horn's gonna sound anyways because like the tracks are like right there. So anyways, let's see this train. This is perfect. Got Trev pulling up. this is what that beet pile looks at night. It's actually pretty mesmerizing. Beets are something that you do like throughout the night, just because it has to be a certain temperature for them to like bring it up, or else they'll spoil. And this, you have those trucks over there who get the beets from this pile and then transport it to wherever it needs to go. Usually it's like an hour or so away from us, but it's pretty cool. I think they're pretty cool trailers too. We made it to our last field of the day, which I'm so excited. This is probably the furthest field that we have to pick for corn. But yeah, I had to get the trucks here. Well, just one. Where's the other one?
That fence jogs back to the south right there, Kent. You'll be good for a little ways.
I don't know if I was supposed to get the other truck too, but there's nobody here to give me a ride, so I'm assuming it's just these two trucks. I literally just thought about it. I am so tired right now. My brain is like at 10% capacity. Anywho, I think I'm gonna hop in the combine with Trevor because there's only one grain cart. I honestly don't know where the other grain cart is. So hop in with Trevor and explain to you guys how the corn is picked and everything that goes through the combine to get to the kernel of corn. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. It's actually pretty cool.
Corn head's just basically shucking that stalk straight down, and then the ear hits what we call a deck plate, and that pops the ear off, and the rest of the stalk keeps going through. Then that auger that you see moving in the head there towards the center, that's bringing all the ears into the center of that combine, and then it goes through the feeder house and goes underneath us into the rotor, and that's what gets the grain off of the cob. And then it goes over the sieve, and the wind blows through it and cleans all the excess trash out of it. And then the clean grain goes up and into the grain tank. Then off the grain tank into the cart, to the truck, to the bin, to the feedlot.
It's actually a pretty neat process. It's like every little person here matters.
Slow down.
He's coming.
Because that hill's steep. We'll
Yeah.
start pouring it off the back. Fill the motor compartment with corn.
There's some little windows there you can barely see, but it's where the corn is hanging out too. How do you know where to start?
I got a line set, and I'm hoping that we're past the pivot enough.
Do you set your lines when you're planting?
Yeah.